The highly anticipated Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming smartphone is about to release later this month. We just learned the official launch date for the smartphone, and now we have further details about its features. It's been a long time coming, but Legion Y90 is finally coming to market. Lenovo originally planned to release the Legion Y90 gaming smartphone in January, but the company has just announced that it will be available on February 28. And in the latest teaser, the company shared a new video in which it showcased some of its key specifications, revealing that it even features SSD, solid-state drive. The video shows off the smartphone's aesthetics as well as its technical specifications. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC and LPDDR5 RAM, as well as UFS 3.1 storage, are included. As reported by Weibo, a Chinese microblogging website, the gaming phone has UFS plus SSD storage and is RAID 0 capable. The Y90 will experience a 50% increase in memory write speeds as a result of this. Samsung E4 AMOLED with a resolution of 2460 x 1080 pixels, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and a touch sampling rate of 720 Hz are said to be on board. In addition to housing the cooling fan and the central camera module, it has the trademark RGBY logo on the back. The smartphone has two cameras: a 64-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 16-megapixel telephoto lens, ultrawide. A motorized pop-up 44-megapixel selfie camera is included in the package, wide. LiPo 5600 mAh battery and a 68W charger are included in the package. 18 GB of RAM may be increased to 22 GB, utilizing Android's dynamic RAM extension, while the phone's internal storage choices are 128 GB and 512 GB of space. Sensors on the phone include fingerprint, optical and beneath the display, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Blue is the only color option. It has two built-in cooling fans, an RGB light panel, and compatibility for dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, on the back. On top of it, there are 6 pressure-sensitive zones, gamer triggers, and 4 ultrasonic buttons, top, back. Dual-band A GPS and GLONASS, BDS, QZSS GPS, USB Type-C and USB on-the-go are also included. In terms of physical size, the phone is rather light at only 268 grams. It is compatible with the Android 12 Plus Legion running system. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.